Morten from English TV, still at FESPA in Berlin, actually for the next days here, so get used to it, right? I'm here with Bart from Mondi. Mondi, I mean, they show all that equipment on the show floor, but they can't do anything without you guys, can they?
No. We are a big supplier to the industry with different paper grades, either as base material or more important also as print material media that can be printed directly, produced from fresh fibers, from recycled fibers, and then we also have converting plants that can do the upgrading of the material for the specific applications.
How difficult is it? I mean, if you look at the graphics arts industry, everything went from flexography to offset to digital tone and now to inkjet. How difficult is it from a substrate manufacturer to keep track on all the development and make sure that you have the right applications and the right substrates for the right applications?
Remember that development of offset and the maturing of offset took several decades, maybe even several hundred years, where inkjet media and inkjet printing is booming and is coming up very quickly. And in that development, it's also very difficult to have a universal product suited for all the different applications. So we are working hard. We have an R&D team. We have a specialist that can develop products in the right direction and make. And the dynamics in those markets are changing. Also, the competitive landscape is changing, and we are trying to develop products for suiting new applications. And of course, what we also try to take in consideration is our environmental footprint. We want to ensure that what we supply and what we provide leaves the lowest possible footmark on the environment, is recyclable, compostable, and therefore we also have a plan to further reduce our emissions and to make sure that all those products are compliant with the goals we set to ourselves in our MAP 2030 and in our Green Spirit approach.
Talking about the market, I mean, everybody of course know that the paper demand is higher than supply. To the supply crisis, at least from a Mondi perspective, or
well, on the short term and then on the midterm, I see big challenges.
Still,
I don't think they are limited to the paper industry. I think that
it is a lot of industries that are under pressure. Basically,
it's affected, and it is everywhere. It's the raw material, it's the transport, it is additives, and I hope that the market stabilizes a little bit. But I would really need a crystal ball to tell you how the future will look like.
If you find that crystal ball, I think a lot of people would like to have a version of it, right?
If I had that crystal ball, I would not standing here, but enjoy Monaco or somewhere very sunny.
So when we look at, let's put aside the supply because we can't do anything about it right now. What is the reason why people should work with Mondi?
Well, Mondi is at least the enabler of stability and sustainability. We are a big group, we are a healthy group. We have plants and we have a large portfolio of paper products and packaging products. We care about the environment and support you and as a customer to to minimize your footprint, and at least where we do have a footprint, offset with the right projects and the right applications.
Where are your plants located?
Our plants are globally located as the Mondi Group. For Mondi uncoated fine paper, we have plants in Europe, in South Africa, and also in emerging Europe we have different facilities.
Fantastic. Anything you want to show or talk about? You have the stage, my friend.
Yeah, well, we are here to promote three of our elements out of our paper portfolio, because we have...
And these are, of course, very specific to the FESPA segment, right?
Indeed, indeed.
Yeah.
So we have inkjet dye sublimation papers for producing textiles in all types in a digital way, supporting reshoring. So produced in Austria, converted in Europe, and then used in Europe to produce textiles with very short lead time and with a capability to produce in smaller quantities. Then we have the large format printing portfolio,
which we see also everywhere here, right?
Yes. The large printing portfolio are papers treated especially for inkjet material, and we have our brand Color Copy. It's a long-lasting and well-standing
you
brand
see that,
name.
right?
Yes, indeed. For color laser printing, we are extending also our applications there and make it suited for inkjet printing, have a special surface treatment, and with that, it's also well suited for large format printing.
Fantastic.
And then last but not least, and that's also maybe not visible everywhere here on the FESPA, base material for coating, for lamination. So we promote papers here as base papers for further enhancement and for specialized technical applications.
You talk about the one of the values that why people should buy from Mondi is that you have a very solid company and you have a good legacy in the industry. I was just wondering if you are in the industry and you are thinking about who you I mean, to the layman, is there like a really big difference who you choose, or why should a customer choose to work with Mondi? Is it the supply, is it the quality, is it the relationship, or how do you try to value that?
You can join Mondi tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
It's the supply, it's the sustainability efforts, it is the security of supply, it is also our financial stability, enabling us to be a safe haven or a beacon in times where there's a lot of disruption.
Fantastic. And I am actually just got an invite from Thomas Wimmer, your colleague, that I'm going to make a film from one of your factories, so I look forward to it.
Look forward to receive you then.
I have been in the industry for so many years and I still haven't seen a factory, so it's about time, right?
Okay.
Bart, it was great to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.